Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to sign the APK and fix this error, app not installed. You can see right here, alright? So we are going to fix both of these. So first of all, you need to download MiXplorer, link in the description, and just select the APK, go to these three dots, scroll last and click on sign. Now task added to the list, click on this paste button, click on this file, and here you have to choose either one of the last four options. I will be going with the test key. Now it is signing the APK and here you see it is signed, okay, the first one. So if we install it now, click on install, and here you can see that the app is installed. Let's open it up and it is working, right? So we will do the same thing for the second app also. See whether it works or not. Same method, test key, and install the app. Install, click on open, and you can see it is working. Please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.